How we doing, everybody? OPD here. It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. I'm covering up the address here, but this package arrived today. Came from Mr. Mike Adams, who's one of my subscribers. He watched the video I did on the folding hunters for the folding hunters herd, or whatever it was called. I can't remember. But in that video, I showed this knife. This is the Kershaw Wildcat Ridge folding hunter. Beautiful knife, lanyard hole, very well made, very nice knife, super good and sharp. And he reached out to me via email or a comment. I think it was a comment first and email. He wanted to do a trade because he wanted this knife. And he said he had several knives, and we went back and forth over a couple, and we settled on a trade. So Mike, I'll be sending this to you. I'll get it in the mail tomorrow, Saturday at the very latest. But I'll get this in the mail to you, and I'll include a couple Cheesy Moon stickers as well. But this is the knife that Mike wanted, so I'll get that in the mail to him. In return, he sent to me a quick note there, basically saying, here's your knife, hope you enjoy it. And he's always looking for a trade. This should give you a clue to what's in here, because I already peeked. But in the box here, I'll move that shipping box out of the way. I got this ebony hardwood handle. I don't know if that's focused or not. I can't tell. It's kind of over my head. But in this box is a brand new Buck 110 with the black ebony handles. Very nice, brand new sheath. Never even been folded. I guess that's, and I tell you, the knife is, as I just found out, very snug fit in there. But I suppose it'll break in. But this is what I consider a fair trade. Yes, I can run down to any knife shop and pick up one of these, but these Wildcat Ridge, it's a discontinued model, and fairly, I don't know if they're really hard to find, but fairly hard to find in this price range as this Buck 110. I see these going from $60 to $80 to $120 on eBay. And this is a great knife. I love the jipping on here. I think I mentioned that in my folding hunter video. Super great jipping on that. It's really nice. But when you compare them side by side, it's a pretty close match. I think this portion of the handle or the bolster is a little bit bigger, but it's pretty close comparison as far as the way it fits in your hand. But I love a good buck knife, especially a 110. Super sharp from the factory, as to be expected from a buck knife. And the Kershaw is no slouch either. I haven't done anything to this knife since I got it. It could probably use a pass on a diamond or a strop. But there you go, guys. My thankful Thursday of sorts. I am putting fingerprints all over it. Happy, satisfied with the trade. And it's been a pretty good day. I just had some, for Florida folks that might be watching, I stopped at the store and bought some Publix fried chicken. For those of you that don't know Publix, it's just a local grocery store. Started right here in Central Florida. And they have some of the best store-bought fried chicken you can find. And it's pretty good stuff. So, fried chicken and baked beans for dinner. Got a brand spanking new buck knife to play with. And a subscriber satisfied with his trade. All in all, I'd say it was a beautiful day. So until I see y'all again, y'all have a beautiful day.